Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a method that many big affiliate marketers are using because this method is really good. But I have to be honest, this method is not quite beginner friendly, but if you do everything correctly, you can actually get lots of traffic and lots of sales, and that is why many of these big affiliate marketers are using this method. So you need to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to research that niche to see are there any interest in that niche. So for example, what you can do is you can come here on Google Trends and let's say I'm in weight loss niche. In particularly, I'm in keto and that is a sub niche on weight loss. So here in search bar, I will simply type keto and then click here search. And then I'm going to choose here United States. So let me just United States and let's just say here, for example, past 90 days, past 3 months. Here you can see there is an interest here. So what I can also do, I can scroll here and see in which states, US states, there is a huge interest for keto. As you can see here in Idaho, there is a maximum interest in keto. So also what I can do is I can actually click here on web search and I can click here on news search to see are there actually any news about keto in past 90 days in United States. And here you can see there are news and some of these news actually get lots of interest, which means that keto still is really popular. And if you have a good news, a good hot trending topic about keto, you can get lots and lots of traffic. So this is actually a good niche. This is a good sub niche. So I can actually promote a product in keto niche. So now you need to find products to promote. And for that you can use any affiliate network that you want. But let's say I wish to use ClickBank. So because I'm in keto niche, so what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on health and fitness and then click here on diets and weight loss. And actually I can find keto related products here. As you can see here, custom keto diet. This is a good product. As you can see here, I can actually make $59 per sale on average. And if ClickBank doesn't work in your country, no problem. You can simply go on Digistore24 and here in search bar you can type keto and then click here on search and you can find keto related products here on Digistore24 as well that you can promote. And actually when you go here on second page, you can find exactly the same product, custom keto diet, as you can see here, that you can also promote on Digistore24. So if you actually wish to promote this product, but ClickBank doesn't work in your country, you can simply come here on Digistore24 and start promoting it here, and you can earn affiliate commission from Digistore24 by promoting exactly the same product. And actually, many ClickBank products, you can actually find them as well on Digistore24. So like I said, no problem if ClickBank doesn't work in your country, simply come here on Digistore24, register and start promoting exactly the same product, but here on Digistore24. And affiliate commission is exactly the same. So you will make exactly the same money like on ClickBank. So now when you have your product, now you actually need to start promoting that product. So next thing you need to do, you need to go on a website called PR.com. Now this is a press release website. These guys will distribute your press release to many media companies, and they actually have their own database with journalists who work for some really big media companies. So if you have a good press release, it can easily happen that some of these really big media companies will pick up that press release and you can start getting lots of free traffic. So for example, hover over press releases and then click here on recent press releases. And when you go here, so let me just, for example, open this one here, for example, you can actually copy the title of this press release, Control C, and you can go on Google and you can paste it here and then press enter. And when you go here on news, you will see that Google News actually pick up this press release, which means if you find a hot and trendy topic and you write a good press release and publish it here on PR.com, your press release will rank on Google News. And not just that, but it can, like I said, it can easily happen that some of these big media companies will pick up that press release and you can start getting lots and lots of free traffic. So obviously, first thing you need to do, you need to register. So just click here on join now and you will need to add the company name. You can just add any name you want. Email, phone, website, you need to have website. Choose username, password, confirm you are not robot. Click here, sign up, confirm your email, and that's it. You will register on PR.com. After you register, you need to come to your dashboard. This is how it looks. You need to add a company name and you need to say, is it a public or a private company? I said it is a private company. And then you need to click here on submit a press release. Now this is really important. It is really important to write a high quality press release. If you have a high quality if you don't have high quality press release, it can easily happen that they will actually not distribute your press release. So if you can write that press release yourself, great. But if you can't, then I would suggest to actually hire a professional to write you a press release. Now you can actually find professional press release writers on Fiverr. All you have to do is just scroll a bit here and then hover over writing and translation and then click here on press releases. And here you can find professionals. Just click here on pro services and here you can find professional press release writers. And some of these guys will charge you just 20 or 30 euros, but some of these guys will charge you 200 euros to write you a high quality press release. And trust me, high quality press release is really important. Now I already prepared one press release, so what I need to do, I need to go back on pr.com. Date of release, you can leave it as it is. You need to add a title, so I will just open my notepad. So I will just copy this, Control C, and I can paste my title here. You need to add a summary. Every press release must have summary. So I will just copy my summary. Okay, Control C, go back here and paste it here. Okay, and here you need to add a body of your press release. So I will just copy my press release body. Okay, just like this. Control C, and I can paste it here. And here you can see option insert link. Now in pr.com you actually need to pay $30 if you wish to insert your link. But on many other free press release websites you can actually add one link for free. If you wish to add 2, 3, 4, then you will need to pay. But if you wish to add just one link, you can add it for free. But on pr.com you need to pay to add a link. So let's just say I wish to add link. Just click here and then I can copy my affiliate link to my, for example, Bridge website. Now for press releases, I will suggest to send people on your Bridge website, not directly on your affiliate offer. So I will just click here on insert link, paste my link, click here, okay, and that's it. I added a link. Here you need to choose country, United States, you need to choose states, let's just say Alabama, and city, let's just say Montgomery, for example. You can also upload images. Now, I didn't prepare any images, but I would strongly recommend to actually upload images, and those images must be royalty free, okay? That is really important. Here you need to choose categories, so let me just find the right category for this. So let me scroll through this. Manufacturing, not medical, okay, medical to C. Okay, diets and nutrition. That is a perfect category for keto related products. Regional distribution, let's just say Alabama, okay. You need to add this company name, so let's just say Zoran, for example. Okay, not Toran, nego Zoran, okay. Phone number, you need to add some phone number, you need to add email, and then you need to add your contact information, because this is a press release, and like I said, it can easily happen that some of these big news media companies will pick up that press release and they need to know how to contact you to check out, is this information actually true? So you need to add all of these data here, okay? And after you add everything that you need to add here, just click here on preview and you can actually see how your press release will look like. And this is how my press release will look like. And here you can see this is a clickable link. And like I said, if this press release will be picked up by Google News and people will actually be able to click on your link. And that is really important. If you actually wish to fix something, just click here, edit press release before you submit. And then just edit everything that you wish to edit and then click here on save and submit your press release to pr.com. Now, what you can do is you can go back on Fiverr and here, for example, in the search bar, you can type, for example, press release distribution. And here you can find people who will distribute your press release to some of these big companies. Now, you can find guys who will do that for just 5 or 10 euros. Now, they will usually distribute your press release to local companies, media companies, But you can also find people who will distribute your press release for 200, 300 euros, but they will actually distribute your press release to some of these big media companies, because many of these guys actually have database of journalists who work for big media companies. So if you have a good press release, especially if you have your own product, you can actually pay these guys 200-300 euros, and it can easily happen that big media companies will pick up the press release and you will get a lots and lots of attention, and that means you will get a lots and lots of free traffic, and you can make lots and lots of sales totally free. Well, actually, it's not totally free. You will need to pay 200-300 euros to these guys to distribute your press release. But you know what I mean. You can make lots of money. These have lots of potential, and that is why many of these big affiliate marketers are actually using this method. As you saw, guys, this method is not quite beginner friendly, but it is really, really good. And many of these big affiliate marketers, they actually know how to do this properly. They know how to get lots of attention, how to get lots of traffic, and they are using this method to get lots of free traffic and to make lots of sales and lots of money. So if you can actually spend some time and some work in order to learn this method, you too can start getting lots of attention, lots of free traffic, and you can start making lots of sales and lots of money with free traffic. So this is advanced affiliate marketing method. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.